What's up, Overtakers? Here we are at our own event, finally co-hosted with Addictive Events. We've always wanted to do something like this, and who better to do it with than Mick and Jane from Addictive Events. It was such an awesome time. If you didn't get out there, then here's a little bit of a recap video. We didn't probably get as much footage as we would have liked to, but next time we will. Make sure you get out there next year. It's a fun time. Hang out, come camp, meet everyone, say g'day, and have a bit of fun. And let's crack straight into it and check out how it went.
slow first. Maybe push it a little harder there off the line.
in the pot. It might have been, it should have been. Might have been. I'll wait for the repeated broadcast. We're about to get our presentation underway. We're going to kick off to start with so well done, Dave, on our first event. For us guys, this is the start of something that we're trying to build. Obviously a little test event today. It was good to see we got nearly 90 entries at the end of the day, which was great. We do thank everybody for coming along and supporting the first of the Overtaking Lane and Addictive Events Christmas Bashes and Motoring Expo. Our plan is obviously we'll have a chit chat, we'll work out some bits and pieces and work out what we're going to do next year, but hopefully come bigger and better. Mary has crossed into O'Carroll's lane and Mary's done some damage.
We're going to run these two for a couple. I just don't want to do one here. I think I want to do a best of 3. 2, 1, go! Sprint, sprint, sprint! Oh, boy, that was close.
And he's come up with the hat. Kyle's got the hat.
Another crack. 1, go! Oh, we've got some boards here at Oh, boy, that was almost a dead eat as well.
Slightly.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that looked fantastic. Oh. That was how close. Well, actually, look at the... Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
So that was the first Overtaking Lane and Addictive Events Christmas Bash done and dusted. We hope you enjoyed it. Big shout out to all the sponsors that came on board. Without them, events like this just wouldn't happen. So big thanks to them. Make sure you go and check them all out. Really appreciate it. And appreciate everyone who came along as well. If you came from far, close, wherever you came from, thanks for coming. We hope to see everyone at the next one. So if you like this sort of content, make sure you head down below, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when we upload a video, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay in that right lane.